2 million views, 5 million views, 10 million views. I gain all that in just 30 days, and guess what? You can do it too. Today's video is super important, so make sure you watch it all the way through. You've probably seen those short troll face videos blowing up online, right? Well, today we're diving deep into that trend, because making troll face videos is crazy easy, and the growth, it's insanely fast. If you want your troll face channel to grow, there are 3 steps you need to follow. And listen, if you skip step number 3, your channel's not going anywhere. Step 1. Follow the trends. Make videos about whatever's trending right now. A lot of people call it trend jacking, and it works. Step 2. Have a good idea. This means planning how you're going to edit the video, what clips to use, how to deliver the joke or moment. Everything needs to be sharp. Step 3. Be consistent. This is the biggest key to YouTube growth. Upload videos regularly. Don't obsess over YouTube Studio. Just focus on posting consistently and staying on track. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button, because I've got way more videos coming that'll help you grow your YouTube channel fast.